Welcome back to Moto Review. Today, we're coming to you from the 2026 Florida RV Supershow, and in this video, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most talked about motorhomes of the show. If you're dreaming about life on the open road, weekend getaways, or even full-time RV living, this motorhome is designed to check a lot of boxes. So let's get into the full review covering exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the first thing that stands out is how modern and upscale this motorhome looks. The body design is sleek and aerodynamic, with smooth lines that aren't just for style, but also help with better fuel efficiency and wind resistance. The paint finish is high quality, featuring bold graphics that give it a premium presence without looking overdone. LED headlights and taillights come standard, providing better visibility and a more contemporary look, especially at night. Large side mirrors with integrated turn signals improve safety and make lane changes easier, especially when cruising on highways. Around the sides, you'll notice generous exterior storage compartments. These are deep, well-sealed, and easy to access, making them perfect for camping gear, folding chairs, tools, and longer road trip essentials. Many of the compartments are pass-through, which adds convenience when loading and unloading. An electric awning extends smoothly at the push of a button, offering a wide, shaded area for outdoor relaxation. Some trims also include exterior speakers and LED accent lighting, making evenings at the campsite more enjoyable. Stepping inside, the interior instantly feels open and welcoming. The layout is thoughtfully designed to maximize space without feeling cramped. High ceilings and large panoramic windows bring in plenty of natural light, giving the cabin an airy feel. The materials used throughout the interior feel durable yet comfortable, with soft-touch surfaces, solid cabinetry, and stylish upholstery. The flooring is easy to clean and built to handle dirt and wear from frequent travel. The living area features plush seating that's perfect for relaxing after a long drive. Depending on the configuration, you'll find a spacious sofa or theater seating, often with recliners and built-in cup holders. The entertainment system includes a large flat-screen TV, quality speakers, and smart connectivity options, allowing you to stream your favorite shows or movies on the road. A fireplace option adds both warmth and ambiance, especially during cooler evenings. Moving into the kitchen, this motorhome really shines. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including a large refrigerator, microwave, oven, and a multi-burner cooktop. Counter space is generous, making meal prep easy even when traveling with family or friends. The sink is deep and functional, with a residential-style faucet that adds to the premium feel. Storage is well thought out, with plenty of cabinets and drawers to keep cookware and food organized during long trips. The living area is designed with comfort in mind. The main bedroom features a comfortable mattress, overhead storage, and side wardrobes that provide ample space for clothing. Large windows and soft lighting create a relaxing atmosphere, and privacy is well managed with sliding doors or curtains. Additional sleeping options, such as a convertible dinette or drop-down bed, make this motorhome suitable for families or guests. The bathroom is compact but surprisingly luxurious. It includes a roomy shower with glass doors, a modern vanity, toilet, and smart storage solutions for toiletries. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, this motorhome is powered by a reliable and capable engine designed for long-distance travel. Acceleration is smooth, and highway cruising feels stable and confident. The suspension system does a great job of absorbing road imperfections, making the ride comfortable even on uneven surfaces. Steering is responsive for a vehicle of this size, and advanced driver assistance features like backup cameras, lane monitoring, and adaptive cruise control add an extra layer of safety and confidence behind the wheel. Fuel efficiency is respectable for a motorhome in this class, and while it won't match a compact vehicle, it's optimized to balance power and economy. The onboard generator and battery system provide reliable power for off-grid camping, and solar panel options are available for those looking to be more energy independent. When it comes to pricing, this motorhome is positioned in the mid to upper range depending on the trim level and optional packages. Entry-level versions start at a competitive price point for its class, while fully loaded with premium features, advanced technology, and luxury finishes can climb higher. Considering the build quality, features, and overall comfort, it offers strong value for buyers looking for a well-rounded motorhome that can handle both short trips and extended adventures. That wraps up our detailed look at this motorhome from the 2026 Florida RV Supershow. If you enjoyed this in-depth review and want to see more motorhome and vehicle content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Moto Review, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next one.